Corrugated tube. The traditional system for controlling Mares BCs now uses a new safe, reliable, high-performance device. Let's see how it works. The device consists of the two buttons for inflating and deflating. The air coming from the low-pressure hose is intercepted by a steel ball in the balancing chamber. By pressing the inflation button, a pin shifts the ball away from its seal against the O-ring. At this point, the air is free to enter the corrugated hose, reach the jacket and inflate it. This system makes it possible to measure out the quantity of air injected as a function of the pressure exerted on the inflation button. By releasing pressure on the inflation button, the ball can return to its initial position, thus interrupting the flow of air. Simply pressing the discharge button immediately opens the air passage from the hose to the outside, allowing the BC to deflate. The same operation can be used to orally inflate the buoyancy bag. Releasing pressure on the discharge button immediately interrupts the discharge of air.